guys, Rogers Motor Cars here. I'm excited about this one. This is a 1963 Mercedes 230 SL. We do have the hard top and soft top. As you can see, the hard top is on there. Soft top's in great condition as well. Beautiful car. This is a 4-speed manual transmission car. Lots of fun to drive, runs great. These are fuel injected as well, so it's nice. It cranks right up. Runs great. Same owner on this car since 1988. I sourced this car from a client of mine, a repeat customer, and he owned the car since 1988. He was using it as a daily driver back in the day and held on to it after he quit using it daily driving. It has 107,000 real miles. Very well serviced and taken care of. It's had one repaint. It's very nice black paint. It's a driver quality car. This is not a show car. It's a driver quality car. You can see some of this rubber is sun dried. There's some pitting here in this chrome. The interior is in great shape though. The original steering wheel, he does have it. They came with white steering wheels. He does have that. We have the original data card on this car. The owner's manuals, 4 keys. Real nice driver. There's a little split there in the headliner. This wood veneer trim needs to be redone. See, it's kind of peeling. But otherwise, really good shape, especially the seats and everything. These cars are really beautiful, especially with the top off. I'll get some pictures with the top off. Brand new tires, brand new tires. No miles. Love this body style. Unlike the 190s, which were earlier than this, didn't have any power at all. These 230s had some nice little power. You could get on the highway, cruise. It's an absolutely gorgeous car though. Classic Mercedes. You don't have to break the budget to have a cool old classic Mercedes. So give us a call, text, email. I will respond quickly to all inquiries. We'll get some shots of the engine bay and stuff. There's a little hiccup here. Front chrome bumper. The body itself, there's no scratches or dings. Another little scuff back there. You can see we tried to hit this with some steel wool, but it needs to be re-chromed if you want to really make it look real nice. You can re-chrome those. I bet my chromer would probably do each one of these for about $100. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country, enclosed trailer, open, whatever you prefer. We'll handle all the arrangements. For financing, we do have some collector car financing available on the website. So reach out about that. I do have a classic car warranty available if you want to do something like that as well. If you got your own financing, that's great. You can use any bank you like. We work with everybody. So hope to hear from you soon on this one. Really cool car. Lots of pictures on the internet. On the website, rogersmotorcars.com. Check out the Instagram page as well. It's Rogers_Motorcars. All right, have a good one.